This is the original case it comes in. I travel a lot, so I put it in this case. But essentially, this will tell you it's numbered from a 1 to a 10. 10 being the hardest strength possible, okay? 10's a diamond. 1 is basically, foam, okay? It's extremely soft. So the way you do this is, if you notice, I'll pass one around. You can kind of feel how hard it is, and it's very pointy. So when you test this, it's very important to hold it like a pencil or a pen, okay? Like you're actually writing. And you simply will take it. Now, in my experience, I've done this a lot, and I already know what this floor is. I'm gonna start with a 5, okay? And every side is numbered. You have a 5, a 4, a 6, 7, 8, all the numbers. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to run my pen across it. And if you look closely here, you can actually see the scratch that I've created in the concrete, okay? So that tells me that this floor is at a 5. Now you can't just scratch it one time. You want to scratch multiple scratches right next to it to see where that scratch stops. So that will tell you where we're at. So now I'm going to take a 6. I'm going to scratch it to the side of it. We've put another scratch in. Okay, so now we're going to take a 4 below the 5. We're going to scratch that, okay? So now I can understand that this floor is right at around a 4.5. 4.5 on a Mohs reading. What does that tell me? That tells me that this concrete surface is at a medium strength, okay? So we have soft, medium, and hard.
We achieved a 4.5 on the Mohs Hardness Test simply by taking our number 5 tester pencil, applying it to the concrete. This did scratch the concrete. We then moved down to the number 4 pencil. The number 4 pencil lightly scratched the concrete. This approved for us to know that the concrete was a 4.5 on the Mohs Hardness Tester.